Hey y'all, I'm Christina Woerner McInnis, founder and CEO of SoilKit by Agritech Corp. Charlie from New York asked, now that I have my results, how do I read the report? Great question. Let's take a look. First, before you even open your report from your customer dashboard, let us know, do you want pounds per acre or do you want pounds per 1,000 square feet? People have different preferences, and make sure your toggle is selected to the right one. I prefer pounds per 1,000 square foot. View the results, and what you'll find at the top is a logo and information from the partner from which you acquired the soil kit. You'll have your kit information, kit ID, and what crop you chose. You'll find a section that says, here's what you'll need. It will have a shopping list. Please note that you can also select one of the fertilizers to click through your customer dashboard to find out more information. Here's how much to use. We'll put out exactly how many pounds need to be used from the products you purchased. And along the way, keep a lookout for all of the tools and tips that we have. If you see a question mark with a circle around it, hover over it and you'll see nice little note tips to help explain things at a deeper look. The rest of the report will show you the chemistry in the report from the lab. Results and ratings found in your sample, elements, their normal range, and even a chart to kind of show you where it goes. At the bottom you may find a footer message. And don't forget, you can print or download if you need to share. Thanks again, Charlie from New York. That was a great question. And if you have any further questions, reach out.